Namaste everyone. Today I am going to talk about one of the kriya, that is Trataka. Trataka is very helpful for children because it helpful in concentration, memory related problems. It will help in keeping your memory a lot, and it is mainly helpful in eye problems. It improves your vision. Eye related problems. It will strengthen your eye muscles, gives very good health for your eyes. In this wide range of population, a maximum number of youths, children, adults, everyone will be staring at their mobile hours together. It will strain your eyes a lot. I can say that this method or this exercise or an treatment is best for your eyes. You can come out from your eyesight problems. I can tell, please try this, and you can come back and tell me how did this work on you. I'll be waiting for that. Okay, now let us go to the requirements for it. Very simple requirements. You need one candle and dark room. We prefer dark room. If it's okay, it is not dark room completely, but it should be dark, not completely also, but we prefer it is a dark room, and a candle with a stool which comes to your chest level when you sit on a ground. Before going to the procedure, I need to tell you, we need to do an eye exercise that I'll show you few minutes after. Like, it should be with your finger, thumb finger. The exercise you do to your eyes is by your thumb finger. I'll just tell you. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Bring your right hand straight between your eyebrows. Gaze at the tip of your thumb finger. You can see that only my eyeball is moving, not my head. You should not move your head up and down or side to side, only your eyeball should move. You should do this by both the hand, one after the another, at least 2 times, up and down, right to left, left to right, and by diagonal. After right hand, do with left hand. Why I am telling both the hand is it will activate both the right and left hemisphere of our brain. While doing Trataka, you should not wear any kind of specs or lens to your eyes. Eyes should be free from any kind of obstacles. Now let us know how to do Trataka. First, in a dark room, light a candle and sit in any meditative posture which is comfortable for you. Then sit little bit far from the candle. Then focus your concentration on the light. The candlelight should not deviate and you should focus on the light. You can see the picture, me and my family practicing Trataka in a dark room, little bit dark. To keep your breathing pattern normal, try to inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Your full concentration should be on the light which is kept in front of you. Concentrate deeply and full focus that. At beginning, you can start this practice for 1 minute, then increase the timing for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, finally for 15 minutes. This is how you can practice Trataka. Okay, my dear friends, now you came to know all the procedure of this Trataka, and one thing I missed, that is precautions. The people suffering from psychic problems cannot practice this Trataka, like hallucination and schizophrenia. Please make a note on this. Yeah, I hope this video is useful for you. Please do come back and comment how did this work on you. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for all the videos that I upload. Okay, please do like. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share.